Alright guys, here's the wave scan for September 5th, 2006. Start with the Qs, quadruple Qs. Right now, looks like this could be a wave 4. And the same thing with NASDAQ. Notice, pretty simple looking. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. This could possibly be a wave 4. If there's a drop below the intraday low this afternoon or around the next hour or two, there could be a retracement back to as low as the previous 4, around 38.75. Best case scenario that it holds 38.75 and rise back over 39.2 to form a fifth wave. It's pretty simple to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Best case though, on the other hand, would be a full third wave, and this region right here is just is a 4 within a 3. That's the best case scenario. Diamonds quick here. It looks like it's a full standard 3. You look really closely. It looks really close to a perfect standard form. Let me take a look at this. There's the calculation. Calculation. Looks like a perfect upward 3. It in fact is really close. Full upper 3 is 115. But you know what I'm saying? Golden ratios aren't always perfect. But, you know, you say good enough. I'm going to say it, good enough. Upper 3, though, and the SPYs, excuse me. SPY would be about 132. Full upper 3. It depends on how far this retracement goes. So if we close at the high and the SPYs, there could be a continuation of the upward 3 to as high as 132. That's the best case scenario. Right, but it doesn't really matter how far or when it goes. The fact of the matter is the indexes are really close to a full upward 3 anyway. So best case scenario is like we end up getting a 4 and a 5, and then a wave 2 to reset the entire pattern and set up another upward 3. Because the upward 3s on these indexes are already almost completed. So the best thing to do is to wait and be very patient. I noticed something really unusual in the gold stocks. Some of these, they're not in sync. Look at the Newmont mining. Looks like a 4. Gold Corp, see, big gap. That's probably, I believe that's earnings, but the 3 main gold stocks to look at are not in sync at all. This is really strange. See, GFI is an upper 3. It's like perfect upper 3. Newmont mining is in a 4. Almost. See, it doesn't look, they're not in sync right now. Another example is the internet's not in sync either. See, actually, Monster Worldwide could be a short if it closes below 38.48. That could be a good short. Looks like wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Monster Worldwide, MNST. Wave 1, wave 2. A break below 38.48, a close below that could be a good short. We're looking at that. Ceradine. There's no retracement here, no to draw a distinct target from, so it's not a good stock to trade right now. Under Armour's in a relentless downward 3. Internet's, take a look at this. Google, see, there's a big fade here. It's going to be wave 2 at best, but it needs to take out 385, which is 384. Excuse me, 384.50. That's a long way to go. Check this out. eBay right here is in a different pattern. This could be a good long if it closes above 28.55. I'll be watching that. The 3 guys I watched to get a good indication for internets are out of sync. So Yahoo, this is unusual. Very strange movement. Amazon, eBay seem to be the strongest ones out of the bunch. But there's no pattern to draw Amazon from. There's no pattern to draw a good trading target for. eBay though could be one to watch. I'm getting Time Warner off of this. I don't know why it's even here. It's not even a good stock. Like CHK. See, this is another unusual situation here. So check it out. See, VLO, Valero, this is natural gas. Relentless downward 3. Relentless. And CHK, see? Don't know where that spec's coming from. Halliburton. See? All out of sync. Apple, take a look at this one. This one could be good. There's two stocks I'm looking at, eBay and Apple. See, Apple on the 6-month chart, check this out. Pattern break. Actually real close to it. This could be wave 1, this could be wave 2. This could be something to watch for a while. See? Wave 1, wave 2, ascending triangle. If it takes out 70, that's a good long. I'm gonna actually go long there on Apple. It would take that 70, period. No less, no more. Excuse me. Right. MySpace. Unusual. Stuck in this sideways pattern for a long time. Been like this for a while. Broadcom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down. No pattern. Garmin. Could be one to watch. This could be one to watch, believe it or not, on the long side. 47.5. Breaks that. Something to watch. Yeah. It's got a long impulse, but take a look at this. Why? See, clack and EMAT? No sync. No synchronicity. Like the police. No synchronicity. See? ICI. And finally we finish it off with a pattern that does not exist in this dojo.